Intact on the impact of extreme weather on critical infrastructures. This video tutorial will briefly introduce you to the Intact Wiki. Welcome to the Intact Wiki main homepage. This Intact Wiki is a platform that offers information and guidance to users on how to assess their critical infrastructure in the context of changing climate and related extreme weather events. It also provides information and guidance to users on how to select appropriate measures to better protect that infrastructure in the coming decades. Each of the graphics presented can be selected to enter a new section of the wiki. This tutorial will now guide you briefly through each of the interactive elements of the homepage. About Intact details the background to the Intact project and provides information on the consortium involved in the project goals, and the approach taken. Returning to the homepage, a glossary of terms is also provided along with a brief introduction to the wiki. This section provides information on the relevance of climate change for critical infrastructure. The climate change page provides information on the causes of climate change and the availability of different models, the use of different climate change scenarios, and the effects of climate change generally. The Cascading Effects page provides a description of what cascading failure is and details its role in the protection of critical infrastructure. It also provides information on the interdependencies of critical infrastructure to highlight the impact of cascading failures. The Extreme Weather page provides a description of extreme weather and details its relationship with climate change. It also provides a classification of extreme weather events based on 4 types of weather extremes. These are temperature, precipitation, wind, snow, and combinations of the aforementioned. The Induced Hazards page provides a description and details a selection of different types of induced hazards. This page also gives the user information on the role of identifying induced hazards in risk mitigation. The Risk page provides an introduction to risk and its various elements, including exposure, vulnerability, hazard, and impact, in addition to providing information on the different terminologies used in different frameworks and its role in risk management. The Various Critical Infrastructures page provides a description on what is critical infrastructure and also directs the user to relevant critical infrastructure protection initiatives. The Society page introduces the user to societal risks resulting from risks which can be direct or indirect. As detailed on this page, it can relate closely to the concept of cascading effects, and the wiki provides the user with cross-references and cross-linkages to relevant sections of the site in order to guide the user throughout with ease and simplicity. Case Proven European-wide Solutions page brings the user to the 5 test case studies. The Case Proven European-wide Solutions brings the user to the 5 test case studies that were undertaken as part of the Intact research project. As detailed on the site, 5 different case studies were conducted across 5 geographical regions, incorporating different extreme weather events. Each case study has a dedicated section which describes the case, the steps taken, and their results. As a user, you can either explore the region and extreme weather event most applicable to your region, or view all case studies and learn from the information and experiences gained in each of the case studies. The wiki also provides an interactive map of extreme weather indicators in Europe, which provides a map-based entry to the future projections of extreme weather indicators. For example, if you are interested in rainfall and you want to look at the projected total precipitation in wet days at the end of this century, you make the time selection and then detail the type of indicator and indicator name. A mouse click then provides the projected value for any part of Europe. This is the end of the tutorial on this section of the Introduction to the Intact Wiki.